Hi, I'm Chuck Calvi from Bristolville, Virginia. Glad to be here. Had a lot of fun, seen a lot of things. The rally has been great. Hope to come back again.
I'm Jeanie, Calvi, his wife, and we're having a lot of fun. It's a beautiful area, and we're looking forward to
Great. All right.
seeing all the bikes